Imagine having to inventory everything in this storage unit. Instead of writing down every item, researching what it's worth, and figuring out where to sell it, I'm going to show AI a few pictures and see how much of that work it can do for me. So I've uploaded 4 pictures that I have of this storage unit and typed in identify every clearly visible item and create a spreadsheet with fields for item, category, brand, description, estimated resale value, suggested listing price, and the best place to sell. Now you can have it create whatever kind of spreadsheet you want or whatever kind of fields you want, but this is what I need for my reselling business. Now, while we're waiting, I'm going to tell you obviously that the better pictures you get with more stuff visible, the better inventory AI is going to give you. So if you can take wide shots and then closer photos of shelves, boxes, labels, brand names, model numbers, the more you can get in the picture, the better AI will be able to break it down for you. And it has told me that from these images, it was able to identify clearly 64 items and is giving me the breakdown that I asked for, and a total estimated resale value of $1,042 just from those 64 items that it was able to see clearly. And it's giving me a downloadable inventory spreadsheet and telling me what it did not count. So let's see what our spreadsheet looks like. Our spreadsheet, so it's got the items listed all separate, a category, the brand, which it seems to not be able to pull the brands on most, as those pictures were pretty cluttered, with a description of each one, estimated resale value, the suggested listing place, and best place to sell, which has some different options here.
So think about how much time this could save, whether you're cleaning out a storage unit, handling an estate, reselling, or just trying to figure out what you have. A few photos can give you a huge head start. And this is just one of those things I had no idea that AI could do. If you want to see more simple ways AI can save you time, make you money, or just make everyday things easier, check out one of my other videos. I'm constantly testing things to see what AI can do, and I'll show you exactly how to do it too.